We're going to use that same prompt so we can compare all of these together, create a volunteer sign up app with scheduling and confirmation. I hit submit on that prompt from their homepage. Again, I have to log in to create an account. Once I'm logged in, I have to choose some of these preferences as I go through the setup here. And then it lands me back on this prompt box and I have to click enter again. Now, Lovable is the first app that we've used so far that is asking us questions in order to carry on. So at the bottom here, it's popped up with some questions. It says, what's the core scope, public sign up or accounts and dashboard or the full tour? To keep it simple, I'm just going to say public sign up only and then click next. And it's given me a choice of visual direction, which is nice as well. Let's go for this blue color palette here, and then I can submit. And now it's going to get to work again with the chat on the left-hand side, but taking up a bit more space, and the preview on the right. So the build on Lovable is not as visual as the others have been, where you can kind of see it coming together as it happens. Now, this was the longest build so far. That took a few minutes to get to this point. Let's have a look at what we've got. I'm going to expand the space over here. A bit less visual. It's not included any images as placeholders or anything. We've got the ability to browse open shifts. We see them all here, so I can click on one. And at the moment, it's only created this home page, it looks like, which looks good, but that was quite a long time to wait. One interesting thing is it's asking me to set up the email domain so that it can send emails. It's getting a bit more technical than what we've seen so far and thinking about some of the next steps if this was going to be a public app. And just like before, we can also ask follow-up questions. So I might say this time something like, add some images to the opportunities and change the color scheme, you guessed it, to orange. Let's see what we get. All right, again, that was probably the slowest update of any of the apps so far, but it does look really good. It's done a nice job of adding some images here. It's updated it to orange, and it has done something a little bit different with the design using some different fonts at the top here. When you're ready in Lovable, you can click on the publish button in the top right. It will create a URL for that app, and you can share that with anyone who needs to access it.